Hi, I'm Christina Joao. I'm 15 years old. I take art class studies and I wanted to improve on my art class this summer, so I came here to learn how to draw. And obviously I read this book. It has so many paintings and the artist and everything, and you can like see the color and everything. And there's obviously this in my art class I need to learn how to do details like facial structures and everything, and that's what I want to learn from this book. Yeah. Je m'appelle Christina Joao, j'ai 15 ans. Je vais apprendre à dessiner des personnes, et aussi à l'école j'apprends l'art, et je pense si je perfectionne mon art, je serai une grande artiste. Je suis venue ici pour voir l'artiste Dominique Makoumi, l'auteur de ce livre, et j'ai vu beaucoup de jolies peintures et des dessins dedans ici, et ça c'est qu'est-ce que je veux pour ma préférence, et je vais apprendre. Merci beaucoup.
You're happy?
Yep.
Ici, est-ce que tu sais utiliser tous ces matériels?
Pas tout, mais j'essaie d'utiliser watercolors, acrylic paint quand même, and pas tout.
Okay. Why you ask Uncle Dominic to help you?
Because you're an artist, like a really good, like an artist, and I thought, okay, if I take art at school and like for GCSE my last year, have to do a final piece, I can learn during my summer from an artist.
Okay. The first thing to do is to do the circle. You have a circle like that. This is the line for the eyes. This is for the whole man. This is the line for the nose. This is the mouth. C'est la même chose. On dessine d'abord les yeux, face, eyes. Les barbes que vous verrez si c'est un homme adulte. Plus de détails. Ici, comment on appelle ça? Ça c'est un adulte, ça c'est un jeune. La différence pour les jeunes, la ligne, cette ligne est plus bas et puis la ligne est plus haut. C'est bien la différence. Pour les adultes, tu vois, ça, cette partie est beaucoup plus large, et pour les jeunes, ça c'est comme ça. Tu peux essayer? C'est un petit gadin. Who is that dude who's young?
That's the young, that's the adult.
You're happy?
I could have done better, but yes.
Part is we have a model and we need to draw it.
Maria, non ti è mai piccola, la vita l'hai riuscita.
And I'll just go over it again. So right here, there's a small thing. Should I do the eyebrow?
Yeah. Are you happy now with the portrait?
Yeah.
Now you know how to draw it.
Yes.
Who helped you to do it?
You, Uncle.
The uncle is a good teacher.
Yeah.
Difference between when you start and what you do now.
The details and the structure of it, like the eyebrows, the eyes, the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, definitely the nose. The shape is different to this one and like this shape, and especially this bit of the eye here is not like a circle, and the nose structure is different because she has a different nose. I had to learn to do that. And the shading, her eyelashes, her iris like that inside, and the detail here.
Well done, I'm happy. You are a good learner. Très très vite, c'est très bien.
mistake encore.
If you get the eyes, you get the nose, and if you get the mouth, you get everything. You see the details you need to improve the drawing. Focus on eyes, nose, and mouth. Observation is very important for the details. The way you catch the vision.
The art lesson is very good. I did progress a lot from the beginning, and yep, I learned details. That's why I was here to get the details, and many facial skills.
Okay, you want to say it in French?
J'ai essayé détail et j'ai réussi. Oui, j'ai réussi beaucoup. Maintenant, je vais commencer à essayer encore.
Tu vas impressionner tes amis?
Oui, dans les classes, vraiment. Yeah.
Tu veux lui dire à Lingala?
Na évité.
Lingala te.
Bien te.
Mika. Mbote na bino.
Mbote na bino. Na ça qui va dessin. Na kobandan. Ezaki un peu. Ezaki difficile, mais na koki siko yo na ma détail mais nyoso te me kaka ok.
L'excellent dessin on attend là. L'excellent dessin on attend. Ok. That is nice. Ok. Ça c'est bien ça. Well done.
I finished today. J'ai fini avec ça. Mais j'ai commencé avec ça. Started with this, and yeah, I needed to learn the details, so I learned a bit of the basics, and then I progressed to this, the detail, the eyes, the nose, different details.
What do you put here?
Definitely the eyes, the mouth, a bit of the nose, and just the structure.
Okay. And
and then my last one was completely like face, like trying to do the face, the eyes, the mouth, the bit of the nose, and yeah.
You can tell us what you learned today, Christina?
I learned how to do details in the eyes, how to start at the basics, like to your base for everything. I learned the base with this, I learned the base with this, and then then I continued.
Well done.